All right, guys, it's Eugene Mosley here once again, and I am going to show you today how I find ads to use from Leads Leap that I can modify and erase some stuff and turn into my own ad. So I found a good one right here. This one just got a drink here on the sand, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how I take this and use it for my own purposes. Okay, so what we want to do is two programs that we're going to use today. One of them is Photoscape X, and I'm going to show you what that does. I need to hit, I'm using Windows 11. So in Windows 11, I don't know about Windows 10, but I know Windows 11, you should be able to hold Shift, the Windows key, and hit the letter S all at the same time. Okay, and that's going to open up this program where I can get my screenshots. That's what I do to use my screenshot here. So as you can see, this little X here, and I also want to get as much of this as I can. Hold down on my left mouse and drag it over that whole picture. All right, and then that captures it, and it's captured it as a screenshot. So I just got that particular image. Now, if you want, you can still go through, like when you're going through, and in order to get credit for clicking ads and make money in Leads Leap, you have to do 10 ads per day anyway. So it's a perfect opportunity for me to take. I've already done mine. You see, I got 12. I've already done mine for the day, so I don't really have to do any more. But I'm just doing this to show you guys this is what I do and how you can do this kind of stuff to set yourself up to win using Leads Leap. So I just clicked off of this one here. There you go. Get that one out the way, and you go on to another one. So let's say that I wanted this one, right? Let's say that I wanted that background. I'll move the website of this thing out the way, and we would click on for that, and we'll do the same thing again. Let's say I want to use this as a background. So I just hit Shift, Windows, and the letter S. And holding all those down at the same time. And okay, that opens up the window here again, and I can save another one. So I'm going to save this one. It'll go into your section where your screenshots are. That's where it's going to take it. And I just do that. It ain't got to be exact. You just good enough. Okay, so let's see. Now let me go back to oh, I got another thing I wanted to show you too. Let me see. Let me go to screenshots and see what I have here at first, and then I'll go ahead and show you the other program that I have. So you see, I've been making a lot of stuff with this thing, man. So it's like, oh, this is also an example. I want to show you this, how I use this program to take this screenshot, and then take the information out that's on there and change it into this. So then I can put my text or whatever I want on this particular screenshot. So let me go back here and grab the other program that I need to do this with. Let me go ahead and I can kill this. I don't need these. Alright, and this, and I don't need that open. So let's see. I want to go to this particular program here. This is what I'm going to use to let's say take this glass out of here. Alright, InPixio Photo Studio 12. That's what I'm going to use. This is a free program that I found. I had it on another computer. Then I found it where I could put it on this computer as well. So what we want to do, we want to go ahead and get rid of this for right now, so I don't have too much stuff running. And go ahead and click on this. That's the thing about these computers. You start opening up a lot of programs that can slow it down, especially since I'm doing recording. Now this is what I want here. I want the eraser. See, so that's what I want to click on, is that part. Alright, and then it's going to pull up the latest things that I've done, and I'm going to click on this one as the one I want to do the eraser with. See, so InPixio. Now it's not going to take the InPixio out. It's going to make it like this one is up here. Once I'm done, you'll see what I'm talking about. Let me make this little circle smaller. I don't need all of that. So let me see if I can get the straw out with all this. Take all of this glass here out. Shadow and all that too. So let's see if it takes everything out in one shot. Normally you have to do it 2 or 3 times to get everything that you want out of it. So, oh wow, it took it down to just one little thing here. Let's see if it'll get that. Just 2 shots. This is a great program. Right, as you can see, all of that's gone. Don't worry about this here. If you had a paid account, it would do that, right? But it shows it up in here in like the preview. So I'm not paying for the thing, right? So only thing I'm going to do is go and use the other program that I just shared with you before. I'm going to use the what's the thing? I don't forgot the name of the doggone thing myself. Let me go back over here. It's in my other program here. Let me go. Oh, I know what I gotta do. Here, wait a way to find it is in here. Photoscape X. That's what I'm talking about. And I want to open that up. And I'm going to take that program. Wait a minute. No, I want to screen capture first. Right. I want to screen capture. So I want to hit Shift, Windows, and S. That's my screen capture program. So I know all this stuff might be a little overwhelming to you guys, but after you do this stuff long enough, it just comes second nature to you. There you go. So now that's in my screenshots. So what I'm going to do, I don't need to work with this program now, so I can close that out. No, I don't. It's on a save and just close it out. And then I'm going to go here to, I'm going to use Photoscape X in this again. So this is going to open up in here. Photoscape X. Try to do this as quickly as I can here for you guys. Alright, now I'm going to see the new ones usually show up down here at the bottom. Okay. And here's this one. Right? So what I'm going to do, let's see here. You can make this bigger. So it's pretty simple to do this once you get the hang of it. Just takes a little while before you master what you're doing here. All right, so I'm going to edit, and then I'm going to, I'm on edit, and then I hit insert. I'm going to insert text. So I just click on text, and that's going to put it in here. That'll put it as using the last color that it was used in here before. So I can go over here and change it to a different color. So if I want to change it to, let's say, red, or green, or whatever I want to change it to, I can change it. Now, what I'm gonna say is what I put on another, and I'm gonna put the same thing. All looks different once you go to different ads, but you can say the same stuff. So let me see, I put it in pictures. Okay, here's what I did. Make $496 a month for just $10. Okay, So I can say the same thing I said on the previous one. On this one is I can say in the new one. Okay, so I can go here and go over some. Okay, now get to doing this. Make $496 a month. Yeah, let's see that this one I got more space to work with. I can make it a little bit larger. Alright, then all you're doing here is duplicating. You're making a duplicate, and that makes it down here. So this is pretty simple to using these programs. You just gotta, learn and get a rhythm to it. And this is how you attract people to whatever business that you're doing. $56 a month. Duplicate that, and you can resize and space it up once you get done. All right. With just, let's see here, let me move this over a little bit. See, as I'm resizing it up, I see what I can make bigger and what I should change, make left and right or up and down. So then I go ahead and duplicate this. So that makes me another one down here. And I can go ahead and change the color. So if I want this green. Alright, let's see here. I'll do that. Let's see. Alright, now let me go back over here. Put in the other one. $, with just $10. Alright, so that's good enough right now. Let's go here. Let's make this thing a little bit bigger so you can see what you got here. So you always want to leave a little space at the bottom, a little space at the top, because when you put it into the photo into Leads Leap, the Pro ads, it can take a little bit off the top or take a little bit off the sides, and as long as you leave a little space, you're good to go. So that's pretty good. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I think I'm off a little bit to the right, to the left, and we can put that back over some right there. Do something else with this. Right? The lines in there will show up to make it line up properly too, so you can watch that and do it that way. And I can go save this. So that's what I'm doing now. Go ahead and save. Make sure I'm saving to I'm going to go ahead and say to my pictures and not screenshots. And I can go ahead and save this. Let me see here. What did I call the last one? I don't know what I call the last one. Let me see. Oh, 496 something. 496.1, 1962. Okay. And I'll make this 496.3. Okay, just keep them in a series. Okay. There we go. PNG file. There you go. That's another ad done. Okay. So that's all I'm going to do with this, guys. I just wanted to share this with you. And you can go ahead and then take these. You got an account with Leads Leap. You can put it up in there. You can put it in the credit one for Leads Leap, but I recommend everybody have a pro account. So in your account, you can put 10 ads in one Leads Leap Pro account. So that's huge. That's a lot of stuff because people have to click on in order to see what you're doing here with Leads Leap. So that's as far as I'm going with this today. I will talk to you guys later.